Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video I will show you how you can search a YouTube channel which does not show up when you search by the name. For example, I am using my YouTube channel and I am searching for it on Social Blade by name, and you can see it does not appear in the search result. So to solve that issue, you can use user handle, which is the new feature of YouTube. So you copy that user handle of that user, and then you can search on Social Blade with that user handle, and you will get the result. As you can see, I have got my channel appear here. Other way is you can use that channel ID which comes in the link. When you open the channel, you can see this link after channel slash. This is the ID of the channel and it is unique for every other channel, so you can copy that, and we go back to the search, and this time we will paste the ID here, and then we'll search and we get the similar result. So this is the way you can search any channel which does not appear on Social Blade when you search it by the name. So if this tutorial helped you solve this problem, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.